Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you the daily combo for today for you to actually claim your 5 million coins right here so that it will be added to your balance. So without further ado, let's get straight to the video. So I want you to click on where it says daily combo right here, and you can see that we have to unlock 3 cards right here. So I want you to scroll down to get to where it says legal, right, and scroll down right here. So the first card for today is License Asia right here. So you click on it and click on where it says go ahead. This is the first card, and then the second card will go to where it says special, right? And I want you to scroll down when you reach where it says special, and this is it. This is the second card, Consensus Piranha Pass, as you can see. So you click on it, and then this will cost 4 million coins. For me, it will cost 4 million coins, and I don't think I'm going to buy this for now. I'll just wait. But this is the second card. Now before I show you the last card, if you're new to this channel, subscribe and let me know what you think in the comment section. Like this video also to help me know you like the content I'm providing. So as for this one, it's 4 million coins, and I really want to increase my balance a little bit before I do. So the last one is legal, and then you scroll down. So there's a new card right here called License Turkey right here, and it says I should invite one more friend, just like the License Vietnam, one more friend before I can unlock this card. So this is the third card. This is the third and last card for today for you to actually claim your 5 million coins. But since I'm on the Grandmaster, I want to get to 100 million plus coins before I will spend it on these daily combos right here. So this is the video for today. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Peace out.